I've just brought the Ducati in and I have managed to break the wing mirror off. Yay, another job to do. So annoying. Never mind. You know what? I didn't really want to go home with that on my mind, so I'm just mixing up some resin. I'm going to glue it back on. If you actually look at the back of the mirror, it does have some residual old super glue on it from where it's been repaired before. I might just jump on eBay and get another mirror. We'll see if this works first. Just gonna be very generous with it. Can't get any worse. Yeah, it's got loads of super glue left over from the last time an idiot knocked it off. I am the idiot this time. Whoa, that was stupid, wasn't it? Reiterating the fact that I am an idiot. Do you reckon that'll stay on there, or how long do I have to stand here? Ah, there we go. Right. A little bit of tape to hold it in place. You watch, I'll peel the tape off tomorrow and all the paint will come off with it. You'll be pleased to know the epoxy resin did a fantastic job. One of the other things that's been bugging me with the Ducati is that the rear indicators aren't standard ones, the LED ones, which is causing them to flash at double time because, well, they're LEDs and it can't detect the, I don't know, the current being pulled from them because it isn't much at all. Anyway, I have ordered, wait a minute. I have ordered some new standard ones, so I'm going to fit these. Should be quite simple, hopefully. I think these didn't come with bolts because I think they just assumed that you've got bolts attached to yours, but because these are kind of mounted in a bit of a different way, I'm going to have to go find some bolts. So see what I can find, and then I'll fit these, and hopefully that will solve the double time flashing indicator issue. Let me know what you think in the comments, but I definitely prefer these stock indicators over the triangular LED ones. Yeah, I mean, it's a classic bike, so I wanted to give it the classic look. I'm very happy with that. Normal speed blinking. And the other side, happy days. Don't know if you noticed, but the number plate has got 944 as the numbers, and this is actually a 944cc bike. So, don't know if that's a coincidence or if someone actually requested that number plate when they bought the bike new, but yeah, cool, eh? I think I might have found the problem with the oil pressure light not coming on when you turn the ignition on. So I had a look at the wiring diagram, and literally all there is going to that light is the battery and the sensor. So I had a look at the sensor. This is the connector that is supposed to be attached to the wire that goes onto the sensor. So hopefully I'll repair that and then that'll work again. I have fixed that connector. Now let's see. Do we have an oil light? We do have an oil light. Does the oil light go off when the engine is started? Let's see. Result! That battery light isn't actually illuminated, it's the brightness of that that's actually backlighting it. It looks like it's on the camera, but it's not. Excellent! It's now full on winter. This field had snow in it yesterday. I'm very cold. I've got a neck scarf, 3 jumpers, my woolly bubble hat. Yeah, it's not exactly biker season here in the UK. The bike is now finished. I've, since recording all that other footage, I have put on a brand new rectifier regulator, so now the battery light does not stay on at low RPM, so that problem's solved. I've obviously, as you can see, put original rear indicators on, which I think just make the bike look a lot nicer, and it doesn't need anything else. It's a good bike, and it will be good for someone in the winter, which is why it's now currently for sale. So you can buy this off of me. I'll put a link in the description. I've put it on eBay. I'll probably put it on Auto Trader as well. So yes, looking absolutely beautiful this morning, the bike is. I gave it a nice clean and a wash. I do love this original exhaust, and I like the fact that it was painted black when I got it, which has meant all the writing, the depth of the what do you call it, engraving, is now black, and it really stands out and looks cool, I think. As she fires up on the button, no smokes. Obviously a bit of a rattle because it's a Ducati and has a rattly clutch. There we go, I'll squeeze the clutch in, sounds a bit better. Yeah, I'll be sad to see it go because it's been a really nice bike to have the privilege of owning and riding and enjoying. However, it's time to move on for the channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and this little mini series of this Ducati, then thank you very much. I appreciate you liking it. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers!